Hey guys, here's a custom built 1/18 scale 1975 Dodge Coronet Hazard County Sheriff unit. This is made by Artisan Greenlight. As you see, features opening front doors. What I've done, I've installed working lights and siren to this unit. And turn the lights on. You got the red blue lights on the roof, solid white and amber lights on the bottom, and you have the rear red tail lights. It does come with its box. It's in excellent condition as well as the box right here. Let me turn the siren on. Got four-tone siren. We'll press the second time. This is the siren you get, the whale. Third time. Fourth time. And the fifth time when you press, it turns off the siren. This is the on and off switch for the lights and the siren. Really easy. Battery runs off a 1.9 volt battery hidden inside. You have to remove these 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you need to change the battery, really easy. Pull the base down, plenty of room. Install 9-volt battery inside this little case. Close it back up and you're good to go. These batteries usually last a long time, so you shouldn't change them too often, unless you run the lights and siren 24 hours. Then you will. All right. Anyways, please ask all questions before you bid, and thanks for watching.